So Duolingo app icon old. So what's going on here? So basically Duolingo has these pranks. So this is just a prank for April 1st where they just update the Duolingo app icon to look like it's an old tired owl. So that's just what it is. It's nothing to do with your progress or with your account or anything. So this is just April Fool's like joke with the app icon. Some people like it, not all people kind of enjoy it, and but that's what it is. How to restore it back? Well, you just can wait. Like after a few weeks, it will just go back to normal. Or of course you can just use some other apps, shortcuts app to try to use just like a standard Duolingo app icon, and then just just to restore it back to normal. But that's just what it is. Duolingo app is just famous for doing these pranks with their app icons. They do it on Halloween, on April Fools, some other random dates, and all the time people are like freaking out what's going on. But usually it just restores itself after a few weeks.